In this video, we're going to learn how to solve simultaneous linear equations with two unknowns using 2 by 2 matrix. Actually, this is not the only way 2 by 2 matrices are solved. This is not the only way simultaneous linear equations with two unknowns are solved using 2 by 2 matrix. There's another method known as the inverse method. So when we get to that point, I'll let you know how to use the inverse method to solve simultaneously for two unknowns. But right now we're going to use just 2 by 2 matrix to get the value of two unknowns. That means I'm trying to say that we're going to solve simultaneous linear equations with two unknowns using 2 by 2 matrix. So let's take the examples. Solution number 1 says express this simultaneous equation in matrix form. 2x plus 5y to 3 8x plus 7y equals to 5. So if we take coefficients, we have here 2, 8, 5, 7, and bring x, y equals to 3, 5. This is stated in matrix form. So this is the answer to question 1. So if we multiply 2 times x will give us 2x, and 5 times y will give us plus 5y give us 3 plus this 3. 8 times x 8x plus 7 times y 7y plus 5. That's it in matrix form. Number 2. Find x and y if 5 minus 6 2 minus 7 x y is equals to 7 minus 11. So 5 times x is 5x minus 6 times y is minus 6y equals to in the next matrix 2 times x is 2x minus 7 times y minus 7y plus the matrix 7 minus 11. The equating entries. This entry is equal to this entry 5x times 6y equals to 7 equal to equation 1, and 2x minus 7y equals to minus 11 equation 2. So now we have simultaneous equations. So we say solving simultaneously using elimination method. So since we use the elimination method, I'm also ensure that the coefficients of x here and that of x here are the same. So let me multiply equation 1 by 2. That's 10x minus 12y equals to 14. And we multiply equation 2 by 5. So 10x minus 35y equals to minus 55. So when I subtract these two, 10x minus 10x will give me 0, so it's eliminated. Minus x minus is plus, but 35y minus 12, 35y minus 12y, so we have y, 5, 2, 3, and then we have 2, 23y. This is 22y equals to minus x minus is plus, so 14 plus 55 is 96, that's 69. So y is equal to 69 over 22. 23 and 1 into 69 is 2. So y is equal to 3. And substitute value of y into equation 2. So I want to substitute the value of y, which is 3, into equation 2. You could do that. You could substitute into equation 1, but I want to use equation 2. And in equation 2 we have 2x minus 7. In place of y, we put 2, which is the value of y. 2 is equals to minus 11. So 2x is minus 29 plus minus 11. 2x equals to minus 11 plus 21. 2x equals to 10. X equals to 10 over 2, which is 5. So x equals to 5. Therefore, x is 5, y is 0. Given that 1, k, 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 1, 5, equals to 3, 11, 5, 2. Let's multiply. 1 times minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 times 2, 4. 1 times 1 is 1 plus 2 times 5, 10. K times 2 is 2k. K 1 times 5 plus 5. K times 1, k. 1 times 5 plus 5 is equals to 3, 11, 5, 2. Minus 1 plus 4 is equals to 3. 1 plus 10 is 11. 2k plus 5. K plus 5. 2, 11, 5, 2. So if you look at it, when you compare entries, so entries 3 is equal to 3, 11 is equal to 11. This shows that the equation is correct. So by the time we get the value of k, and then we put it into the equation, here will be 5 and here will be 2. So if we equate rows or entries, we have 2k plus 5 is equals to 5. I'll call this one, or say k plus 5 is equals to 2, equation 2. So you can say from 1, 2k plus 5 is equals to 5. 2k plus 5 is equals to 5. And there's something missing here. Back. K times 2 is 2k. So 1 times k times minus 1 is minus k. Minus k. Minus k. K times minus 1 is minus k. 1 times 2 is 2. This is supposed to be 2. Yes. The first equation minus k plus 2. Since I'm working with equation 1, minus k plus 2. Okay. So minus k is equal to 5 minus 2. Minus k is equal to 2. So k is equal to minus 3. Or if we say equation 2, we have that k plus 5 is equals to 2, and k is equal to 2 minus 5, k is equal to minus 2. So you see that k Value of k here is the same as value of k here, so that makes it true. So k is equal to minus 3. So if you check minus k, you put minus 3 in place of minus k, that will give us minus, check, we have minus k plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus times minus plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, which is what you have here. K plus 5 is equal to 2. The k is minus 3 plus 5, which is equal to 2. This is what you have here. Another one. 3x plus 2y, 3x minus y, xy equals to 3, 2, 2x. So equating entries, equating rows or entries. So we don't have anything to do with this entry because there's no unknown here. It's 3 is equal to 3. So when we have to equate this entry, this and this. So x plus 2y is equals to 10, equation 1. 3x minus y is equals to 2, equation 2. X, y is equals to 8, equation 3. So we solve this equation simultaneously from 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2 we have x plus 2, y equals to 10, and 3x minus y is equals to 2. So I'm going to solve simultaneously using elimination method. Solve simultaneously using elimination method. So I'm going to eliminate x. So I'm going to multiply equation 1 by 3, so that here the coefficient will be 3 also. 3x plus 6y is equals to 30. Then multiply here by 1, get 3x minus y equals to 2. So throughout, this will eliminate this. Minus times minus will give us plus 6y plus y will give us 7y. 30 minus 2 is 28. So divide both sides by 7 gives us 28 over 7, which is equals to 4. Next is substitute the value of y into equation 2. In equation 2 we have 3x minus y is equals to 2, where y is 4. That's equals to 2. So 3x equals to 2 plus 4. 3x equals to 6. X equals to 6 over 3. That's equals to 2. Therefore x is 2. Y is equals to 3. The question says, so if you put these values here, then x is equals to 4. Y is equals to 4. Sorry. X is equals to 2. So in question 2 it says x, y is equals to 8. So 4 times 2 will give us 8. Find PQ for which to P. So P3 8 minus 5Q that 1 2 is equals to 24 minus 17. So when we multiply 2p times 1 gives us 2p plus 1. 8 times 2 gives us 16. 2p times 1 is 2p. 8 times 2 gives plus 16. 3 times 1 is 3. Minus 5q times 2 gives us minus 10q. This is 24 minus 17. Creating entries. You have 2p plus 16 is equal to 24. 3 minus 10q plus minus 17. Equation 1, equation 2. Okay, so from 1, 2p plus 16 is equal to 24. So 2p is equal to 24 minus 16. 2p is equal to 8. And p is equal to 8 over 2 equals to 4. So p is equal to 4. From 2, 3 minus 10q is equal to minus 17. So minus 10q is equal to minus 17 minus 3 minus 2. So minus 10q is equal to minus 20. Q is equal to minus 20 over minus 10. So q is equal to minus cancel minus 10 to 1 to 22. So therefore p is equals to 4, q is equals to 2. That's right. If 3, 7, 2, x and 2, 3 is equals to 12, 29. Find the value of x. So multiply 3 times 2, 6 plus 2 times 3, 6. 3 by 6, okay. 7 times 2, 14 plus x times 3, 3x. This is equals to 12, 29. No, 12, 14 plus 3x equals to 12, 29. So you can see this is equal to this. So that means that in this first entry, what we are going to equate to is this entry to this entry. So equating entries, you have 14 plus 3x is equal to 29. So 3x equals to 29 minus 14. 3x equals to 9 minus 4 is 5, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, so x is equal to 15 over 3 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5. So if e is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, and b is equal to minus 3, 2, 1, 4. Find C, matrix C, such that matrix A times matrix C, AC is equal to matrix B. Okay, now that we don't know what matrix C is, since both A and B are 2 by 2 matrices, matrix C will also be 2 by 2 matrices. So let's represent matrix C as unknown here, and that means matrix C will have unknown as entries, unknown, and we're going to represent unknowns by variables. So let's matrix C, let's see equals to A, B, C, D. Okay, so next thing is we follow the rule. So AC is equals to B. So A will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, and C. A, B, C, D is equals to minus 32, 1, 4. 1 times A is A, 2 times C plus 2C, and 1 times B is B, 2 times B plus 2d. 3 times a is 3e. 4 times c plus 4c. 3 times b, 3b. 4 times d, 4d. So minus 3, 2. So 2, 1, 4. Next is equating rows or entries. We have a plus 2c equals to minus 3, equation 1. 3e plus 4c equals to 1, equation 2. b plus 2d equals to 3, equation 3. And 3b plus 4 equals to 4, equation 4. So what we're going to do next is solve simultaneously. Let me mark it here. Okay, so from 1 and 2, this 1 and 2 have the same constants AC. So I'm going to say E plus 2C is equals to minus 3, and 3E plus 4C. 3 plus 4C is equals to 2, equals to 1. Sorry. So I want to eliminate E. I'm going to multiply this equation by 3 so that E will be 3, just as this equation of A here is also 3. So times 2 here will give me 3E plus 6C minus 9 times 1, 3E plus 4C equals to 1. So I subtract 3 minus 3 will give me 0. That means E has been eliminated. 6C minus 4C, minus times plus is minus. So plus 6C minus 4C will give me 2C. Minus times minus, minus times plus is minus. Minus 9 minus 1 will give me minus 10. So C is equals to minus 10 over 2. C is equals to minus 5. Substitute the value of C into any equation. So into equation 1. So this will give me E plus 2. Here C is minus 5. Minus 5 is equals to minus 3. So E minus plus 2 times minus 5 will be minus 10 equals to minus 3. E is equals to minus 3 plus 10. And E is equals to 7. So let's come to this side. So from 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Equation 2 is B plus 2D. B plus 2D is equals to 2. And 2B plus 4D. 2B plus 4D is equals to 4. Now to eliminate D. So I'm going to this is 2 and here's 4. I'll multiply equation 1 by 2 so that here will be 4. Times 2 will give me 2B plus 4D is equals to 4 times 1. 3B plus 4D is equals to 4. Subtract 3 minus 3D will give me minus B. 4D minus x plus is minus 4D minus 4D is 0. 4 plus 4. 4 minus 4 plus minus x plus is given minus. So 4 minus 4 also give me 0. So B is equals to 0. Substitute the value of B into equation 4. So 3B plus 4D is equal to 4. Remember that B is 0. 3 times 0 plus 4D is equal to 4. 2 times 0 is 0. So 4D is equal to 4. D is equal to 4 over 4. D is equal to 1. Therefore, A is equal to 7. B is 0. C is minus 5. And D D is equals to 1. So matrix C is equals to, so let me just say A, B, C, D, which is what we have. So our A is 7, B is 0, C minus 5, and 1 as a matrix. So if 5 for x minus 1, 2 y is equals to 4, 5, find xy. Let's multiply. 5 times 2 is 10, x times y equals plus xy. 4 times 2 is 8, minus 1 times 5 minus y is equals to 4, 5. So equating entries, we have 10 plus xy, 10 plus xy is equals to 4, equation 1, 8 minus y is equals to 5, equation 2. So from 2 minus y, 8 minus y is equals to 5, minus y is equals to 5 minus 8, minus y is equals to 5 minus 8 minus 3. So y is equals to minus 3 over minus 1, which is equals to minus cancel, minus equals to 3. So y is equals to 3. So now let's go from equation 2. We have 10 plus x, y is equals to 4. For y is 3, so 10 plus x 3 is equals to 4. So 10 plus 3x is equals to 4. 3x is 4 minus 10. 3x is equals to minus 6, and x is minus 6 over 3, 3 over 1, 2. So x equals to minus 2. Therefore, x is equals to minus 1, y is equals to 3. But this is not the way we're taught to represent it. It says find xy. So xy, this is coordinate form. So xy is minus 2, 3. So actually, given that 2 minus 3, 1, 4 multiplied by minus 6p is equals to 3 minus 26. Find the value of p. So to be find the value of p. So let's multiply. 2 times minus 6 is minus 12, minus 8 times p, minus 3p. 1 times minus 6 minus 6, 4 times p plus 4p. This is 3 minus 26. Okay, so equating entries, minus 12 minus 3p plus 3. So either this will equal to this, or since it's one variable, equation 1 will give you the same answer as equation 2, so you can pick any of them. But to show that equation 1 is equal to, when you solve equation 1, you get the same answers. When you solve equation 2, I'm going to list them as equation 1 and equation 2 and solve them to confirm. Minus 6 plus 4p is equals to minus 26, equation 2. So from equation 1, we have minus 12 minus 3p is equals to 3, minus 3p is equals to 3 minus 3 plus 12. So minus 3p is equals to 15, p is equals to minus 15 over 3, 3 1 into here, 5, p is equals to minus 5. And here, so from 2, we have minus 6 plus 4p is equals to minus 26. So 4p equals to minus 26 plus 6. 4p equals to minus 20. P equals to minus 20 over 4. Area 1 over 5. So p equals to minus 5. So you see that any of the equations you solve for, any of the equations you pick to solve for p, you're going to get minus 5 as the answer. So if you substitute minus 5 into p in any of the equation, you're going to have 0 minus 26. So let's check. So equation 1, minus 12 minus 3 minus 5 minus 12 minus 3 times minus 5 gives us plus 15. Minus 12 plus 15 gives us 2. That's what we have here. So it's correct. Check. Equation 2. This is what we have equals to 0 plus 2. So check. Minus 6 plus 4p equals to minus 26. P is 6 plus 4 minus 5 plus minus 26. This is minus 6 plus 4 times minus 5 plus times minus is minus 4 times 5 is 20 minus 26 minus 6 minus 20 is minus 26 goes to minus 26. So the left hand side of the equation is equal to the right hand side of the equation. So it's checked.